Is your Mercedes-Benz S-Class AMG key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video will guide you through a simple DIY replacement, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. As of 2025, most AMG key fobs use a CR2032 lithium battery, lasting typically 1 to 2 years. Your Mercedes-Benz S-Class AMG key fob typically requires a 3-volt CR2032 coin cell battery. While CR2025 batteries may fit, CR2032 offers longer life and better performance. Check your owner's manual or the old battery itself to confirm the correct type. Using the correct battery ensures proper function of remote locking, unlocking, and other features. You'll need a few simple tools for replacing your Mercedes-Benz S-Class AMG key fob battery. First, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the fob case. Next, the new CR2032 battery that powers your key fob. Optionally, rubber bands can help hold the fob together during the process. Remember to avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the fob casing. These simple tools will help you complete the replacement safely. Locate the small release slot on the side of the key fob, often near the metal key blade. This slot is where you'll begin the process. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the slot and twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to scratch or crack the plastic casing. If your fob has a mechanical key, avoid damaging the blade during this process. With the fob opened, you can now access the battery for replacement. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Note the orientation. The positive plus side is usually facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct polarity. Incorrect polarity will prevent the fob from working. High-quality batteries from brands like Panasonic or Duracell are recommended to prevent leaks. Now that the battery is replaced, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Make sure the case is fully closed and secure to protect the internal components. Test the key fob by pressing the buttons while near your vehicle. Check that remote locking, unlocking, and trunk release functions work correctly to ensure the replacement was successful. If the key fob doesn't work immediately after battery replacement, consult your vehicle's owner's manual for synchronization procedures. Some Mercedes models may require a simple reset through the vehicle's settings menu. If issues continue, consult a Mercedes-Benz technician for assistance. Always dispose of the old lithium battery responsibly at a recycling center. The trend is shifting towards digital keys and smartphone apps for keyless entry. Mercedes-Benz now offers Digital Key Plus via NFC, potentially reducing reliance on physical batteries. Future fobs may incorporate rechargeable batteries or kinetic energy harvesting. While DIY battery replacement remains relevant for current models, consider exploring digital key options for enhanced convenience.